Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. The sun comes up over Umoja, shining warm light on the Kenyan grasslands. The first rays of sunlight touch the earth, bringing with them the promise of a new beginning. The village awakens to the gentle hum of nature, a symphony of birds chirping and leaves rustling in the breeze. It's a brand new day in this very special village. Umoja is not just any village, it is a sanctuary, a place where women have found refuge and strength. As the day begins, the village comes alive with the sounds of daily life. You can hear kids laughing and women singing. Their voices blend together, creating a melody that speaks of hope and resilience. The children play freely, their laughter echoing through the village while the women sing songs of joy and perseverance. There are no men here. Umoja is a village run by women, just for women. It is a unique community where women support each other, work together, and build a life free from the oppression they once faced. It's a peaceful place, full of friendship and amazing strength. The women of Umoja have created a haven where they can thrive, laugh, and find solace in each other's company. Their bond is unbreakable, forged through shared experiences and mutual support. The women of Umoja have been through a lot. Their stories are filled with hardship and pain, but also with incredible resilience and courage. They have faced challenges that would break many, yet they stand strong. They've been hurt and treated unfairly. Many have escaped abusive situations and have found a new home in Umoja. Here they have the chance to heal and rebuild their lives, but they haven't given up. Instead, they have channeled their pain into strength, their sorrow into determination. They work tirelessly to create a better future for themselves and their children. Instead, they've come together to make a better life for themselves and their kids. Umoja is a testament to their resilience and their unwavering spirit. The women here are not just surviving, they are thriving. The story of Umoja is inspiring for all of us. It shows that with unity and determination, anything is possible. The women of Umoja have turned their struggles into triumphs, their fears into hope. It shows us that even when things are really tough, there's always hope. The women of Umoja remind us that no matter how difficult the journey, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. When women help each other, they can do anything. Umoja is a shining example of what can be achieved when women come together, support each other, and work towards a common goal. Umoja started in 1990 with 15 brave women. These women were determined to change their lives and the lives of others around them. They were led by an amazing woman named Rebecca Lolosoli. Rebecca was a beacon of hope and strength for the women who had nowhere else to turn. These women had been kicked out of their own homes. They faced rejection and hardship simply for standing up for their rights. People didn't like them because they spoke up against bad traditions. They challenged harmful practices and demanded respect and equality. Rebecca and the other women knew they needed a safe place to live. They dreamed of a community where they could be free from fear and oppression. They decided to make their own village, a place where women could live without being scared or hurt. They took on the challenge with courage and determination. They named it Umoja, which means unity in Swahili. This name symbolized their collective strength and solidarity. They started with nothing but their strong will. Despite having limited resources, their spirit was unbreakable. They built their own houses and started their new lives. Each brick and each beam was a testament to their resilience. They shared everything they had and helped each other. Their sense of community and mutual support was the foundation of Umoja. They showed everyone that women could not only live on their own, but they could do really well. Umoja became a shining example of what women can achieve when they come together. Every day in Umoja shows how powerful it is when people work together. The women work together to take care of themselves and their families. They make beautiful beaded jewelry and sell it to visitors. They also take care of goats and grow vegetables. The children of Umoja go to school and learn about their rights. They learn to respect women and to believe in themselves. Meal times are full of sharing and laughter. The women get together, talk about their day, and help each other out. This strong feeling of community is at the heart of Umoja. Umoja is a light of hope, not just for women in Kenya, but for women all over the world. This unique village, founded by women for women, stands as a testament to resilience and empowerment. It is a sanctuary where women can escape the harsh realities of gender-based violence and discrimination. People all over the world have heard about the village, and it has helped other women start similar projects. The ripple effect of Umoja's success has inspired countless women to take charge of their destinies and create safe spaces in their own communities. People come from all over to visit Umoja, hear the women's stories and support their work. These visitors not only bring financial support, but also spread the message of Umoja's mission far and wide, amplifying its impact. But even more importantly, Umoja's story shows us that things can change. It demonstrates that with determination and solidarity, women can overcome adversity and build thriving communities. It shows us what women can do when they help each other and work together for a better future. The collaborative spirit in Umoja is a powerful example of how unity can lead to sustainable development and social change. Umoja is a powerful symbol of unity, strength, and how much good can happen when women help women. It is a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards a more equitable and just world for all women. Dear viewers, don't forget to give us your feedback on how you liked the video and be sure to subscribe to our channel to get new videos. Thank you.